So now let's work around with the image opacity and the mask for the image in the slide. So here you can see that as I move this along, you can see that this is actually at the back of the text. So I can go around over here onto the element hierarchy and bring to the top where it covers down the text. But let's say I want the image to be transparent so that I can see the text beneath it. In that case, you can go around over here onto more tools, and here you can see that opacity is an option. So you can go ahead and change this out as you want, and this is what you have. You can see beneath this particular picture. Apart from that, you can also go around over here and add in a mask to it. So you can add in solid color right here, and you can see that you can choose many different colors right here for the mask right here. If I were to change the opacity, you can see that the mask has actually covered up the bottom right here, and you get more of that color. You can go for solid color, or you can go for gradient as well, or you can also go for no fill right here if you don't want any mask. Well, let me just go around, select gradient, and you can see that you can go around over here just like this, and then let's say for example change around the opacity of the gradient as you want as well, add in another gradient color as you want just like this as well, and then choose the color of the gradient as you want as well, and change around the opacity, the brightness level as you need right here just like this as well. You can also go for radial gradient just like this, and you get the radial gradient for the mask. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with image opacity and mask in slide in Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.